Did you know WordPress powers over 40% of the web? Its flexibility and customization options make it a top choice for many. Discover how WordPress can benefit your website and transform your online presence. Before installing WordPress, you need a domain and hosting. Choosing the right hosting provider is crucial for performance and security. Gather the necessary tools and information to ensure a smooth installation process. Follow our easy guide to install WordPress manually or with one-click installers. Set up your site with essential configurations and learn how to troubleshoot common issues. By mastering these steps, you'll have a robust website ready to go.
Oh, congratulations on completing the theoretical part of mastering WordPress installation step-by-step guide. Now we are going to dive into the practical aspect. So I'm going to be using one of my websites to create a subdomain for this particular purpose. I don't know the web hosting plan you'll be using, but with SiteGround we can always have your subdomain created using this method. So what I'm trying to do right now is to create a subdomain. Domain I'm creating is example.nattiebama webdesign.com. So it's successfully created our subdomain. After successfully creating the domain, it will ask if you want to install any application. So select install application, and then you look for the application you're trying to install. So right now we want to install WordPress, so that's what we'll click on. And then you create a username. The username and password I'm creating right here is just for the sake of this video. Once I'm done with the video, everything will be deleted, both the website and then the WordPress. So in case if you're trying to go on it, you're not going to see anything. That's a joke on a lighter note. So I'm just creating random email right now. Oh yes, so there was something that happened right here. The domain, you see where it asks domain you are trying to create a WordPress account on. You have to be sure, especially if you have more than one website that you are hosting. Like for me, I have client website that I'm helping them to host. So you have to select the right domain. If not, it's not going to create your application. So what happened, the error before was because of that. So right now I just selected the right domain, so it's going through. Very soon you'll be seeing your site. So that's it. So right now you've successfully installed the WordPress on your domain, on your website. That has been done. The next step is for you to log into your WordPress site. So in case if you don't know what to do, just go to the place where it says WordPress, and when you see your WordPress, you go to the site, because this is actually a subdomain. That's why it's like this. That's why I have to go to the WordPress. And regularly you should go to your website, and then you see your domain that you installed WordPress on, and then you log into it. You can also log in through just a website, WordPress. It will take you down to your website. So where I am currently is an additional. Is this more of an additional service for people who want to create their website themselves? I'll make a different video that will be more explanatory on how you can create your website yourself. But with that being said, let's continue. There's something you get with WordPress starter. So there's something called the starter template. I think other web hosting might have it, but because I'm using SiteGround, so I know about SiteGround. So you have the starter template. This is an additional for people that want to do it yourself. You want to design your website yourself. You're like, you don't want to pay a web designer like me. But then there's advantage of you paying a web designer because it's a lot of work and you need to spend your time doing other things than doing what someone else could do better for you. But then I'm going to show you how to. So with the starter template, let's use an example of fashion. And you see a template, which if I'm the one designing your website, it will be looking much beautiful than that. And maybe currently you're just starting up your business and you cannot afford to pay a web designer, which is going to save you much more headache if you pay a web designer, because currently but which this promo is going to end by the end of the year 2026, but currently I'm designing business website for $500. That's a giveaway. But anyway, this is it with you getting, but that price will end this year. So right now we've come to the end of this video. I'll be making another video where I will show in details how you can design a website using AI or a starter template. You all have a